raffle goes off and he says you're dismissed.
Evernock's got 6. Jameson's on his way. And swung legs. And Taskin's
Back leg too. That's a big, big blow.
Hazelwood has cast it the other end. This is amazing. Brian Lara takes over. You're in tears, man.
Went for them after a while, struggled in New Zealand, but I think
stunning ICC mace. The ICC World Test Championship winners, New Zealand. Excellent cricket down here in Hobart. They've bowled well, they've bowled in partnerships, they've batted well. The top made a wonderful 100. Ben Stokes moving away to his left.
But then in the first game, he has finished things off here. England